Hello everybody, I'm going to be teaching you how to use Society6 today and how to upload your design. First you got to make an account, but after you make an account you're going to go to this button right here. It's called Sell. Once you're at the Sell page, you're going to actually start to upload your artwork, and all you got to do is drag it in there. So I'm just going to drag my file. And as you can see, it's going to say high five, you're one step closer to selling your work. And it says, first make sure the image is correct. If it looks off, go ahead and upload a new one. Let's start filling in the details that will help you sell. We'll guide you through tagging, metadata, and more. And I'm just going to click this button right here because I do own all the rights to this. This is not a mature content, so I'm just going to uncheck that. And I'm just going to go click next. As you can see here, this is the page where you're gonna actually put the title of your work. So I'm just gonna type in 5th grade teacher for life because that's what it's about. After that, I'm gonna press a category. This is definitely a graphic design, but if it's a painting, a drawing, collage, photography, feel free to select that for what it really is. Now, I love Society6 because it does give you the suggested tags, so I'm going to actually use one of these, so I'm going to press digital. Just makes sense to me. I'm going to put perhaps elephant in here. Perhaps I'm going to use teacher, education, 5th grade. Maybe I'm going to put school. And just for this video, I'm not going to go up to 20 tags, but I do encourage you to use all 20 as it does help look for your searches for the design. So for this description right here, I'm just going to use whatever to describe this artwork. So I'm just going to put something really quick. I would give it more thought if I had more time, but just for this video, just for save some time, I'm just going to write something quickly. So it's going to be I love to teach my 5th grade class. My students are awesome! Exclamation point. Once you are finished, you're going to click Continue to create products. We're at the page where we're on the Create Products page, and what I love about Society6 is it already has given you the options to see which ones will actually fit the product. So as we just screen this area here, as you notice, some of them just need some slight adjustment, meaning that if it does show on here, it does mean that you can use that product for the dimensions of that graphic design. But if it doesn't show here, it will be left blank, and as you can even read right here, it says seems like your image file doesn't meet the requirements for this product. Click through to edit your image placement or upload a new one. This won't affect other products currently featuring this design. So yeah, you would definitely have to go in and change the dimensions. I'm not going to do that for this video, but for just to help show you the process what this looks like, I'm just going to show you how to adjust them. So let's say I want to have the frame mini art print. So I'm going to turn this on. And it's loading. And as I click edit, I'm going in there and seeing if I can edit the product. So as you can see here, it's going out of the product line there, or the border. So I'm just going to shrink it a little bit. Maybe move it to the left a little. So what I do want for Society6, I do wish it has some kind of line indicator. As you can see, my mouse, that shows if it's in the middle. I'm just eyeballing it, but hopefully Society6 will do something about that in the future. But for now, it looks okay to me. So I'm just going to click Save and Close. So as you can see, I can easily fix all this, but I'm going to ignore that for this video. And I'm just going to scroll down. Like this one looks okay to me, so I'm just going to turn that on, but I'm not going to edit it. See, out of place a little bit out of place here, but I'm not going to turn them on. Yeah, as you can see as I'm scrolling down, you might be noticing that there's a lot of items that can be used, but it just needs slight adjustments. So I think this looks good. I think I'm just going to keep the top products up there. So I'm just going to click publish.